Hey, my name is Cynthia. This is gonna be weird for all my yarny friends. But a few years ago, I made a video. And let's be honest, this channel kind of sucks. I don't upload regularly. And then when I do upload, it's not consistent content. And okay, if you're here for that, I'm not gonna change. I'm still gonna be inconsistent. And my videos are still gonna be all over the place, but I'm gonna change the subject just a little bit. I made a video like in 2014 and it had the word hiccup in the title of the video. And I don't lie, I'm not a clickbaiter. That video has one of the highest viewings of all of my videos. It's that one, my crochet circular jacket disaster, and one-handed crochet. Okay? Three videos, highest views. All right, so video back, see? Okay, this is why nobody watches my videos. All right, cool. All right, so I'm gonna start with the hiccup video. Now, in that hiccup video, I was also talking about other things. I was talking about the Crochet Geek. Also in that same hiccup video, I had the hiccups. I genuinely had the hiccups at that time. And I recorded anyway. I don't remember if I was like running out of time to record and I had to with the hiccups, whatever. And also, I showed an article about my dad in that video. So I don't know if the extra views came from the hiccups, the word Crochet Geek, or my dad's name. So I'm gonna start with hiccups. I have Sprite, and I'm gonna try Sprite today. And it's cold, and it does not have caffeine in it. And I promise never, ever, ever to fake hiccups. Is there a baseline for hiccups? Like a fake hiccup? That's a fake hiccup. Why do I move my shoulders for fake hiccups? So is that okay? So now I'm gonna give myself the real hiccups. I don't like the real hiccups. But what if the real hiccups look like the fake hiccups? I'm scared. I'm scared. All right. Now, see that carbonation? Carbonation does it for me. Not does it for me, but gives me the hiccups. And if it doesn't, maybe it's the caffeine that gives, but no, I don't get hiccups drinking my morning coffee. So, here we go. And I always smell everything to make sure that it doesn't have alcohol in it because I'm a recovering alcoholic. All right. Oh. Okay, let's go again. Why isn't this giving me the hiccups? Hang on, let me try. I'm gonna keep trying. I need to get my hair done. I need views so I can afford to get my hair done. Oh, this is making me angry. As I know, maybe it is ice. I'm not a fan of soda and ice. It's a whole, I'm very thirsty. Yeah, while we're at it, why am I so thirsty? How much sodium is in here? Total fat 0. Okay. Sodium 110 milligrams. Serving size 1. That's 5% of my daily allowance. And total sugars, you guys, 63 grams. 126% of my daily allowance of sugar. All right. Nope. All right. Hang on. Maybe. I'm trying everything. I swear I'm trying so hard. All right. Maybe it's the air that you swallow in a straw. But you're swallowing air when you're, okay. You're swallowing air when you're drinking. I mean, I'm not, this isn't an airtight container. All right. Let's try it. Oh. Nothing. Yeah, no. I couldn't do it today, Ruger. I couldn't do it. I couldn't. All right, guys. I couldn't get the hiccups today. But I have Coca-Cola with caffeine in it for another day. And then Monster Energy drink for another day. So you're gonna get 3 videos out of this. I can't do it. Also, when I eat and drink, my nose starts running. It's very strange. All right. I drank a whole bottle of this for you. I tried it by itself, with ice, and then with a straw with ice. I faked some hiccups for reference, for a baseline, and I didn't get any real hiccups. So I'm gonna edit this and throw it up on the internet and see who cares. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, wait, that's the same thing, and subscribe. I'm not used to this at all. All right, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.